Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about the calendar again today. So Mr. Wiseman talked to you about it yesterday, and this is something that we're going to do pretty much every day so that we can get some ideas and learn a few things about numbers and about time, things like that. So I was wondering if you know why we use calendars. Why do we use a calendar? Okay. You probably have one at your house somewhere. I have one up on my refrigerator and I make notes on it all the time. So if my dog has to go to the vet, then I find the date on there that the dog has the appointment and I write that down. Or if maybe somebody has a birthday that's special that I want to remember, then I write their birthday down so I remember to send a card. Okay. Or if I have an appointment, then maybe I write that down. So why do you think we use calendars? Everyone uses a calendar, and we all use the same calendar. So why do you think that's important? Well, for one thing, it keeps everybody on the right schedule, okay? So if I use a different calendar than Mr. Wiseman, maybe he might come to work on days that I didn't come to work because we were using a different calendar. Because we know that we come to work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But if he was using a different calendar, his days might not match my days. So everyone has to use the same calendar, so everyone's on the same schedule. Okay. So the purpose of a calendar is to keep everyone on a schedule, and it shows the passage of time. Okay. So from yesterday to today is a 24-hour time period. A day is 24 hours. From one day to the next, that's passage of time that equals one day. So yesterday was September the 1st. Today is September the 2nd. So, you know, it's logically follows that the next number you're going to see is, right. So when we say the date, we say today is Wednesday, September 2nd. So we say the day of the week first, Wednesday. Then we say the number of the day, the second. And we say the month, okay? It's September. So say it with me. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, and then it's 2020. That's what year it is. Now, let's see how many days are in a week. All the months, too, have about 30 days. Some have 31. Occasionally, there's February has 28, some 29. But mostly, all the months have about 30 days. In September, there are exactly 30 days. When we get to here, we're going to change months. Okay. So, how many days are in 1 week? That's right across here. That's 1 week. If you know what the names of the days are, you can count them and see. So let's count and see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in a week? 7. 7 days in a week. Never changes. Always, always, always. Same days every week, and there's always 7 of them. We don't just say, well, this week, let's skip a Tuesday. Okay, that doesn't happen. Every week, it's the same days in the same order, and they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Always. Sunday's the first day of the week. Saturday's the last day of the week. Never skip a day. Okay. Now, we said what today. Today was the 2nd. What would you expect to see tomorrow? When we say what is tomorrow's date, we mean after we go to bed tonight and then wake up in the morning, what will the day be? The day will be Thursday, and I bet you can guess what number goes there. So September is a month where we change seasons, okay? So it's not like one day it's summer and then you wake up on the 20th of September and it's suddenly fall. The weather doesn't cooperate quite like that. But just so everyone's on the same page, we do have dates that signify when summer ends and fall begins. So right now, in September, we're still in summer, okay? It's still considered summer. But later on in the month, down here, we'll start to say that the season is fall. What kind of changes do you often see in the fall? What happens outside in the fall? Be watching, because those things are going to happen, and we'll talk about those too, like the leaves changing colors, falling off the trees, the weather gets a little cooler, all of those things. So be thinking about that, because that's going to be coming. Now, let's see if we can, because I told you already it's going to be around the 20th. I'll have to look up the date. It's usually 20th, 22nd, somewhere around there. Well, I'll just look on my other calendar and see when it becomes fall. But let's say it's the 20th, and let's see if we can count to 20 on the calendar. 1, you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So somewhere around here, in the 1, 2, 3, 4th week of September, we're going to start saying the season is fall. Now, let's do a little bit of sorting today. I know Mr. Wiseman showed you some sorting yesterday, and he showed you how to sort by color. When you sort, you put things in groups, right? And the things that are in the groups are alike. So you want everything alike in one group over here, and everything that's alike in another way over here. So today I have my shapes up, and I have all different kinds of shapes, but I also have different colors. So today we're going to sort by color again. So if I were going to sort all these shapes by color, then I might take, what is this? What is this one that is just a big circle? Doesn't have any sides, it's just a big curve. A circle. I'm going to put my orange circle over here, and then that's going to be the start of my first group that I want to sort into. So if I'm going to sort by color, I'm going to find everything that's orange. So is this orange? No. That three-sided shape that's called a what? Yes, triangle. I'm going to make it another group. It's the head of my other group. So I have two groups now. I have an orange group and a blue group. Now it will be easy to sort. So I know everything orange goes over here, everything blue goes over here. So let's take this shape. What is this? It has 4 equal sides. All the sides are the same size. Yes, it's a square. I found a blue square also. I'm going to put the blue square over here in the blue top. I have more orange circles, 2 more orange circles. Then I also have another orange square. Those are all going in the orange column. And then what's left? I have a blue circle. And what's this shape? Do you remember what this shape is? It has those 2 long sides, 2 short sides. It's a rectangle. Good job. Okay. So now I have my sort done. Everything's nice and neat by color. All orange here, all blue here. Good job. All right. Now we want to talk about that letter that we've worked on, that we're going to work on this week, and that's the letter, yes, A. Okay. Here's capital A, and here's lowercase a. And remember I told you, or Mr. Wiseman told you that certain letters are called vowels, and they have 2 sounds. They can make 2 different sounds. They have a short sound and a long sound. Okay? And A is one of those vowels that has 2 sounds. That's why there's two pictures up here. Okay? And at the beginning, you're going to hear those two different sounds that A can make. So at the beginning of apple, I hear apple. That's the short A sound. Over here, I see an acorn. Now that didn't sound the same. It didn't say okay? It said A. It said its own name. When you say A, the letter, the name of the letter, that's what it can sound like in a word also. So acorn is a long vowel and it says its own name. So apple, acorn. A has two sounds, a long sound and a short sound. So keep that in mind and look around your house today for things that might start with the sound or the A sound. Okay? Now, I'm going to put on a little video for you of months of the year, okay? So we can learn about the months of the year. Let me share my screen with you.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, July, August, October, November, December, then you
All right, I hope you enjoyed our song today. I will see you next time. Look for things that start with A.